Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Dom and we're going to talk about unusual options activity. Alright, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Alright everyone, first one I want to bring up is AXP, American Express. Now, there was some huge call buying today, or Friday, in these October 29th 180 strike calls. So, I always say, when you see the unusual options activity in a weekly expiry here, that's pretty unusual because most of the option trading that goes on is in the third week of any given month, the main expiry. So if you look here, there's relatively zero open interest here compared to some of these main expiry months here, November 19th, the third week of the month. Now, American Express in general, as you can see, does not trade a whole lot of options here. So to see about 6,000 options come in here and most of those being bought, that is extremely bullish. Now, if you take a look here at the chart, I'm kind of hesitant to get in this one. I'm not in this one yet, specifically because it is at pretty much an all-time high here. It looks like it might have some resistance here, although I do like that the stock has come up a few times and kind of tested that resistance here. Usually the first time when you come up and test the resistance, the stock will fail from what I've seen. But as you keep coming up and testing that resistance, the more you go up to it, in my opinion, the more, the higher probability you're going to get through it. So, next one I want to talk about is MGM. Now, there was some huge options activity in a lot of different expirations here. Now, 24,000 contracts traded of the October 15th, 45 strike calls. There was also some unusual options activity in these November 19th, 44 strike calls. Now, I don't really like that these options are a little bit in the money here. I'd rather see people going out buying out of the money calls here. But if you remember from these October 15th ones, I believe, yeah, these are out of the money, be it slightly, 50 cents or whatever. But still, that makes a difference to me. I want to see people buying short-term, out of the money calls because that means they expect the stock to make a move pretty much immediately and rapidly and with a lot of rapidly and also quickly. So let's check out the chart here. Now this is another one here where I'm pretty hesitant about this, specifically because it's stock. I don't think it's trading at all-time highs, but it is pretty much at a 2-3 year high here. But like I said with American Express, the more times this stock comes up and tests the resistance, the higher probability that it is going to get through. So, thanks to everyone who has been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Make sure to shoot a like as well so I know to keep making more videos like this. And I also have a Twitter account. It's at OptionGuru100. And I'll be posting about some trades there, maybe even before I put them on YouTube. So if you want to get the deets, while the market is still trading, make sure to check out my Twitter channel. Shoot me a follow there. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.